Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Fab 5 Friday. So that means fabulous recipes, only 5 ingredients, and today we're going to be making chili cheese Frito burgers. But before I start, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love 5 ingredient recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so for today's recipe, the 5 ingredients you're going to need are hamburger buns, some Fritos, some sliced cheese. I have chili seasoning here, and then some ground beef. So all we're gonna do is take our chili seasoning. So I have about 4 tablespoons here that I'm gonna sprinkle in. Now, you can use a chili packet if you have that for chili seasoning. You can use a taco seasoning. I was even thinking last night you could do a ranch. You could do a ranch seasoning and do the ranch flavored Doritos, I think would be good in this. And then I have about 3/4 of a cup of Fritos here. And I'm just gonna start working this together. And the Fritos, I said this was just chili cheese Frito burger. So obviously you could use the chili cheese Fritos, which is what I would have gotten, but they were completely out. So I got the regular ones, and that's fine. I've got a lot of chili seasoning in here. So I'm just going to continue to work this together. And then once it's mixed all the way through, we're going to go ahead and start pattying up our burgers. So this should make about 6 to 8 burgers. Take some of this out of here. And I'm just using my Pampered Chef, my patty press here. I grab my plate and we will start pressing these out onto here. All right, so next one. All right, so I'm gonna finish pattying these up. All right, so I got 6 patties out of there, and I think I forgot to mention, this was 2 pounds of ground beef that I had there. All right, oh, look at those little Fritos peeking through. I'm excited about these. So I've got my skillet already warming up here on about medium high. I'm gonna cook these 3 at a time. All right, so we'll wait for these to, and usually another thing I do is I kind of press down in the center. I always notice when burgers cook, they kind of, especially when you cook them on the grill outside, they kind of shrink up and they wind up like in a shape like this. So if you kind of make an indentation in the center, I feel like they cook and they make like the perfect patty shape. All right, so a few minutes on this side. All right, I think these are looking good. It is time to give them a flip. Last one. All right, so we're just gonna finish cooking these for a few minutes on this side. All right, our burgers are just about done. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our cheese. We're gonna lay a piece of cheese on each one. And then I'm just gonna put the lid on. And we'll let this sit for just a second until our cheese is nice and melted. All right, those look perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off of here. And one of the things we're gonna do is don't get rid of the grease in the bottom of the pan. So a lot of times I like to take butter, or sometimes I'll use cooking spray or whatever, and I like to toast my buns because it keeps whatever I put on there, whether it's mayonnaise or tomatoes, it keeps my buns from getting soggy. Keeps my buns from getting soggy. All right, so we're just gonna toast those up a little bit. And look how beautiful those are. I'm just gonna slide a burger onto each one. And I went ahead and flipped them because not only does it toast the buns, but it also kind of warms them up also. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna take them out of here. I'm gonna put them on a plate. And I think before I'm hungry, before I fry up the other ones, I'm gonna go ahead and taste one of these. So one other thing we can add to this and still stick to our 5 ingredients is a little bit more Fritos. We can top this off and make it extra crunchy on the top. Let's get this out of here. So a few more Fritos. Probably should have did that before I put my bun on top. Look at that. I need to grab another plate. There we go. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Crunchy. Yeah, look at that. Cooked perfect. I got lipstick all over my burger. Those are so good. It tastes just like a chili cheese Frito. I'm gonna get ready to set my house on fire. But it's a little bit spicy. It's a little bit crunchy. Again, so much flavor for a 5-ingredient recipe. So I hope you all will give these a try. And if you want to know how to make the perfect French fry, that is going to be my tip for Tuesday. I've got the tip to make deep frying. If you like your stuff really crispy, I got the tip for you. So be looking for that on Tuesday. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.